Narayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. We are revising the exam. We are not revising. We are solving the examples or understand it in the book examples given in book. Okay. So once again, I will repeat this example. Example 16. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by square tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. First of all, understand that room is 3 meter wide and 4 meter long. Okay, so what we have to calculate first? We have to calculate the area of floor, that is the total area. Okay, then we will cover it with the square tiles. Have you seen the square tiles? I think everyone has seen. Okay, in our house there is square tiles. So suppose same example, if it is maybe their hall or kitchen. Okay, so if each square tile is of 0.5 meter, so side is 0.5 and it is a square tile, that means first of all we have to find out the area of square tile, right? Then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. So there are three steps. In first step we have to find the area of room. Second step we have to find the area of square tile. And third we have to divide the area of room by area of tiles, then we get the number of tiles. Okay, so let's start. Total area of tile must be equal to the area of the floor of the room. So first, the length of room is 4 meter, breadth of room is 3 meter. So area of the floor is length into breadth, that is 4 into 3, that is 12 square meter. Area of one square tile is equal to side into side, that is 0.5 into 0.5. What we will get here? 0.25 square meter. Okay, now next. Number of tiles required is equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. So 12 divided by 0.25. So you can divide it in the rough. So when we divide, we get 1200 divided by 25, we get 48 tiles. Understand everyone? Okay, let's start the next example. Fine. The area, find the area in a square meter of a piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeter wide and 2 meter long. So see here, length of a cloth is 2 meter, breadth of a cloth is 1 meter and 25 centimeter. So first of all we have to convert these two into one unit, because here is meter unit and here is meter and centimeter. So we will convert it into meter. Okay, so see here, 1 meter 25 centimeter means 1 plus 0.25, as 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 25 centimeter, when we convert into meter we get 0.25 meter. Okay, so it is 1.25 meter. Since 25 centimeter is equal to 0.25 meter. So area of cloth is equal to length of cloth multiplied by breadth of cloth. So 2 meter multiplied by 1.25 meter, we get 2.50 square meter. Okay, so let's start the exercise 10.3. So first of all you have to write the formulas. So what is the formula for area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. In short we can write here L multiplied by B. So area of side is equal to side into side. Okay, so just revise fastly. You have to remember this formula anytime and don't confuse in the formula of perimeter and the formula of area. area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, then perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, and area of square is equal to side into side. So please don't get confused in two formulas, right? So let's start exercise 10.3. Okay. Find the areas of the rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 square centimeter. Okay. Now next. B. 12 meter, 21 meter. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 12 multiplied by 21. What will get? 252 meter square. Okay. So see example you have to take as a homework. 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So in the previous example, the example solved in book, it is converted into meter. So I have converted into centimeter. It is no issue. You can convert it into meter also. Okay, so I have converted here in centimeter. 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So let's see here. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So 2 means 200 centimeter multiplied by 70 centimeter, we get 14,000 centimeter square. Okay. Now second question. Find the areas of square whose sides are. So sides are given. We have to calculate the area of a squares. Okay. So area of square is equal to side into side. So what is the side here? 10. 10 into 10 we get 100 centimeter square. So next side is 14 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side into side. That is 14 multiplied by 14. So we get 196 centimeter square. Okay. So third example you have to take as a homework. So let's see the third example. The length and the breadth of the rectangle are as given below. So which one has larger area and which one has the smallest? Largest and smallest we have to calculate. So first of all we will calculate the area and then we decide which one is largest and which one is smallest. So first of all area of rectangle first. Okay, whose length and breadth is 9 meter 6 centimeter. So length multiplied by breadth, here 9 multiplied by 6. So 9 6 are 54 meter square. Then B, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 17 and 3. So we get 17 3s are 51 meter square. Okay. So next, area of rectangle, third one. So length into breadth. So which is the length and breadth given here? 14 multiplied by 4. So 14 4s are 56 meter square. Okay. So rectangle, see, first rectangle has 54 meter square area. Second rectangle has 51 meter square area. Third rectangle has 56 meter square area. So which rectangle has maximum area? C, right? That is 56 meter square. Then which rectangle has minimum area? 51 meter square. That is B. Okay. Clear this one? Fine. Now you have to take fourth example as a homework. So let's see here. I will read it. You have to take as a homework. The area of a rectangular garden is 50 meter long and 300 just 1 minute. The area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long has 300 square meter.